This video is a teardown of a Sunfleck Ceptometer. And I didn't even know these existed until I got some on a pallet full of scientific equipment that I bought from British Columbia government auction. So I need this box here for another project. And I figured I might as well tear this apart and see what's in it. The first thing is this here, continuing and continuing and continuing, is actually a whole bunch of sensors for detecting light. What they do with this thing, if I got it correct, is they take a walk around the bush, taking readings, they stuff it underneath trees, and then they read how much light is underneath the tree. Hence, they can figure out how much is being absorbed by the tree. So, let's see what's inside this thing. For this part, looks like I scored some battery holders, some switch, some circuit board. I'll worry about this part here in a little bit. This part here, I've already been hacking away at it. What I'll do is a close-up of this once I get it all taken apart. This doesn't fit on the bench, so this will take a little bit of time. So here's the contents of the Sunfleck Ceptometer. These will be measuring the light, creating a voltage. They actually look like little solar cells. I'll put a picture here of one that I'll get as close as I can. On the other side are CD4016, two of them, and also a 74HC164. So the 4016s are switches, 4 of them. So you got 4 here, 4 here. And this here is an 8-bit serial out shift register. I've already taken one off here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's all in groups of 8 here. So most likely what this does is the processor just shifts registers down, reading each photo cell one at a time, and then does its fancy math. I'm not going to do up a diagram for this. It's just not worth it. So on here, we've got things like the ICL7660, and that's 5 volts in, puts out 5 plus and minus. So that's probably powering something around in here. There's some op amps. I'll just read off what's on here. Okay, there's an Eprom here. Processor here, 8-bit processor. Some just, oops, get it like that. Some just logic in here. There's these ones, this one here, that there, and the one down there are ICL7612s, operational amplifiers. I believe that's static RAM. Underneath this nice size display, I'll just take it off gently. Probably not the best way to do it. Is this chip would be doing all the display calculations, I believe. And there's a few other things, some D-type flip-flops on here. But that's about it for that part. Of course, what I was interested in is this case, because I'm going to take this case, instead of building one out of plexiglass, I will be mounting this on here somewhere and sticking in the shunt And then I'll have a little box for measuring the voltage in amps. I'll have this going out to the power supply and this going out to the load. That's why I tore this thing apart. And as I said, I do also have I think 2 more of these. I also got some battery clips out of it. So that's it.